Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the Bank of America asking for a security code to log in, but the text message or call never arrives? You're not alone, this happens with a lot of people, and there are three things to check right now. First, check if you have turned on Do Not Disturb or Focus Mode. Swipe down from the top right corner of your phone, and if the focus button or do not disturb button is highlighted, tap on it to turn it off. Text from bank security system can get silenced by focus mode. Then go to settings, tap or search for phone and scroll down to silent unknown callers and make sure that it is turned off. Bank of America sends verification codes from automated numbers that your phone might be filtering out. After fixing both of those, go back to the Bank of America and go to the login screen and look for an option that says send code a different way or try another method. Tap that and choose email if phone number on your email is available, or request a phone call instead of a text. One of those will go through. So all you've got to do is turn off focus mode, turn off silence unknown callers, then try a different verification method inside the app. Your code will arrive. Subscribe for more Bank of America fixes.